Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today we are going to discuss about line and clustered column chart in Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is an analytical software that will help you in understanding your data set through various visualization in different data models. Now let us go further and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. So in this video particularly we will talk about 2 points. In the first point we will tell you how to make line chart, and in the second point we will talk about how to make clustered column chart in Power BI Desktop. So to understand all this concept we have to go in Power BI Desktop itself. So let's go into the Power BI and clear all these points. Now we are in Power BI Desktop in data model interface and specifically in report view because we can see a visualization in here. So if I want to change the visualization, like I have introduced the visualization of two things, either of this in a page one in which I have used axis which is year, legend, category, value, population, and another is for this thing which is specifically to each population, which is population total, and this is percentage I have calculated per population percent of female. So to introduce the new concept and when creating a new visualization, we will introduce a new page in here. To introduce a new page in a report view, we have to click on this positive sign which creates a new page. When I click on it, you will see a blank space that has been created in your report view. Now we have to get back to our question about how to make a line chart. Now to make a line chart is very easy. You have to just go into a visualization section and search for the line chart. So you can see it's a line chart which I have put my cursor on. If I click on it, you will see a line chart. So you can see the line chart has been created in our report view. Now if you want to change the size and shape of the line chart, you can increase and decrease its width by selecting it. And if you want to change its position, you have to just click on it. After that you can move it anywhere. So I will put it back again in here. Then now the question arises in our data set, like how do I make this chart? Earlier I have told you that how visualization work and how the chart has been created, but it is always important to put data in our visualization because without data sets it's worthless. Now we have to introduce the data. So for that we have to go into the field pane. When we go into the fields pane, we will see there are three tables available to us from the data set. Now if I click on a fact population table, I will see certain columns which I have made in a Power Query editor. So now I want to make a population and introduce a population in our line chart. How do I do that? There are a lot of things I can do. I can certainly just click on it. You will see the line chart that population has been introduced in our line chart. Either this way, if I again unclick on it, then I can click with the left cursor again, drag and drop it into the visualization section. You will see the population will be created. That is how its value been introduced in our visualization section. So this is one way, and there is also another way. If I cross it from here, I will easily drag the population from here into values. Again you will see the line chart. Again you will see the population has been introduced in a line chart visualization. Now we have a population. Certainly there are things that we want to introduce in our data set, or you can say in a visualization, because it certainly does not represent a lot of things which you can see from your visualization. Now I want to introduce year into line chart. How do I do that? Now I want to introduce the year into axis, because if I introduce year into axis, the population will become on the base of year. After introducing the year into axis, now I can see my visualization which is increasing in its number through years. You can see in here that with increasing year the population is increasing. So this is how the visualization is represented. Now you can see there is one legend column that is available to us. Now that we have a population per year parameter, now I want to see how many countries have different population ratio irrespective of their region. Now I will go into the dimension region. When I click on it, you will see the columns. Now on the basis of country, if I want to know the visualization, then again you have to just click on the country and drag and drop into the legends. Now you will see that our visualization is looking like this, which is a very haphazard way because you couldn't understand the data set is too large because the countries are too many that is available to us. So I don't think it does make a lot of sense. So it's better if I just unclick on it and it will be removed from our visualization. In spite of the country, I can introduce a region name which is very less than country. So if I click on a region name and again introduce into a legend, now you will see our visualization is very much better and we could easily understand that what visualization want to show us. Now you can see in 244 the African population is again the highest, and this is how you will get to know the visualization with a line chart. So this is how you make a line chart. Now after this we have to introduce a clustered column chart. Again, how do I make that clustered column chart? So there are two ways. If you want the same data set, same axis that been introduced in this visualization in a clustered column chart, you can directly go into the visualization and select on a clustered column chart. You will see your data set will be changed into that. That is why the visualization is always important to remember. If you click on your visualization and after that you change the visualization, your visualization will be changed into a different chart. Like if I want to make into this chart, into this chart, into this chart, you can make any of it. Again, I do not want to change a line chart, but I want to introduce a new chart. For that, you just have to click on a report view anywhere, just not on the visualization of a line chart, because otherwise it will again change the visualization into different pattern. So I will click on a report view. Now you will see the visualization is not selected. Now I will go in here and select a clustered column chart. When I click on it, you will see a chart has been introduced into a report view. Size of it is changed by the Power BI desktop itself as per the space available in our report view section. Now again we have an axis, we have a legends, we have a value, we have a tooltips. So first of all, we have to introduce the population. How do I do that? I hope you remember, you just have to click on it. Either you drag it into the chart, because if you do that, it will be introduced in a value section only. Now you can see it's in the value section. This is how you will introduce a population, or you can just drag and drop the population into value also. After that, I want to know the population parameter, which is a region specific. That is what I want to know through this visualization. For that, what will I do? Then for that, I have to go into the dimension region, into the region name. Again, region name will be added on the basis of axis. So if I do that, you can easily see this is how the pattern will look like. So this is the total population, which is region specific. You can see in Asia the population is this. Again in Africa the population is this. Europe is this, and so on so far. So you can easily estimate the other population also, and this is how you introduce a clustered column chart. Again, if you want to change the visualization of it, you just have to click on it and go into any other visualization. You can directly introduce that into our visualization in a report view. This is a line chart and this is a clustered column chart. You can easily click on it. You will see the axis is completely different in both of them. In the line chart, the axis is year, legends is region name, values is population. While in the clustered column chart, the axis is region name and values is population. Now, in your mind, the question arises, what are the tool tips and other editing relationship? So that I will cover in my future videos. For now, I hope you would understand, or you have understand. I have already told you about the line chart and trusted column chart. So with this point I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries got cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helps you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.